Hey, I'm Martin. I drive tram for money, and in my 40 years I have tried to figure out what I want to work with. What is my thing, what is fun and gives me meaning. I wanted to be my own boss, and after a while I figured out a YouTube channel might be it. I wanted to laugh at the idea, but I thought it could be fun too. My own TV channel. I mostly make stuff out of wood and try to communicate the importance of preserving the nature around us. Some art and Norwegian culture I try to fit in whenever possible, an ice dip for instance. But it takes time to grow a channel, and I have in no way earned money doing this for a year. But the good thing is that it has sparked something inside me. Do you remember Steve Irwin?
If there's one thing that I, Steve Irwin, would want to be remembered for, it's be remembered for passion and enthusiasm.
I recognize a little part of myself in him when I talk about my channel, Norwegian Wood. And if there is anyone I have seen that loves what they do, it is Steve. Real passion is a rare commodity. I spent 40 years finding it, but I have not always been looking. I didn't think it was possible or that it was meant for me. No, I'm neither as eager nor am I Steve Irwin. And to a degree that is right, but I do see a fraction of myself in how he was at this point in my life in here. Being able to live by inspiring others would be a dream come true for me. Making interesting videos that might spark other people's dreams or help them make that owl house or a beautiful oak handle out of a branch. Small things that brings joy, things that wakes the interest in nature that has created the material you use or the animals you will help. Some people have contacted me and said they made this or is going to make that, and to hear that warms my heart and fills a place inside me that the tram will never be able to do. But what is it that sparks the passion in you? What is that makes it boil inside when you talk about it? If you have not found it, you should search. And if you're searching, you will find it, even if it takes you 40 years. Nobody is too old to find a passion in life.